Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, and this video is going to be about cracking an interview probably, and what powerful phrases that you can use to impress the interviewer. So imagine you're sitting in an interview and you've prepared well and you know your skills and you're ready to answer the questions shot at you, but when it's finally your turn to speak, your mind goes blank, or maybe you know what you want to say but you're not sure how to say it professionally in English. And this is something that everybody goes through, and it might be familiar for you too as well, right? So you don't have to worry, it happens to many people. And the good news is interviewers aren't actually looking for perfect English. They're looking for someone who can communicate clearly, confidently and professionally. And in today's video I'll share 10 powerful English phrases that can instantly make you sound more polished and confident in interviews, right? So the first part of my videos is going to be making a great first impression. So the interview begins the moment you greet the interviewer. So instead of simply saying hi, try saying good morning, thank you for giving me the opportunity to interview today. And this is actually going to make you look very polite, professional and confident. And if you are asked how are you today, you can say I'm doing well, thank you, and I'm excited to be here. So a smile and a calm tone would make a huge difference in your speech. The second part of the video is going to be talking about yourself, because they are going to ask you introduction, right? This is a most common question for any interviewee. So instead of saying I'm hardworking and honest, you can try explaining. You don't have to end with just 2 words, rather explain it, use it in the sentence. If someone who enjoys, you can say, I'm actually someone who enjoys learning, I love to solve problems and I love to work collaboratively. So over the past few years, maybe I have developed so and so skills, maybe in communication, in teamwork, in project management. You get a space to throw and highlight and all these aspects of your introduction. So this will sound much more natural and professional. And another great phrase is one of my strengths is my ability to adapt quickly to new challenges. So interviewers loves candidates who are adaptable, because you may not know what kind of tasks are being thrown at you. And the next part is to talk about your experience. So when discussing your experience, use action-oriented language instead of saying I helped with the project. But while you're talking about the action-oriented language, you can actually probably say I was responsible for coordinating the project and ensure deadlines were met during the period of time. Or you can say I collaborated with my team to improve the overall process. So basically these phrases show ownership and teamwork. And another useful phrase is this experience taught me the importance of effective communication and planning. So this shows that you learn from your experience. So the fourth part of my video is to show confidence. Confident doesn't mean that you have to sound arrogant, and by saying, I'm the best person that you can ever hire, you can't just say that, but rather you can say that I believe my skills and experience align well with the requirements of this job. This gives a passive confidence and not, this actually gives an active confidence and not a kind of confidence that could be faked, right? Otherwise you can actually say I'm confident I can contribute positively to your team. So you can notice the difference when I say I'm the best person and the second examples that I've given you. So you're expressing confidence while you're staying respectful, professional and grounded. And the fifth part of my video is handling difficult questions. So sometimes you will be asked something you do not know. Maybe you'll start panicking and you will say I do not know, and you would just want to walk away from the place. Rather than that, you can actually say that's a great question and I haven't had the opportunity to work on that yet, but I'm eager to learn. So this shows that you are not aware of it and you're ready to learn for the same. So and another option that you can actually say is while I do not have direct experience in that area, I'm confident I can learn quickly. So these kind of phrases will stay honest and it shows your willingness to learn, right? And how do you basically end the conversation? People will, gently say thank you. Rather than that, you can have a closing phrase. So at the end of the interview, you can leave a lasting impression by saying thank you for your time and for considering my application, or you can say it was a pleasure speaking with you and I look forward to hear from you. So these simple phrases show professionalism and gratitude. Right, and maybe for a quick recap, I'll just highlight on the phrases that we have gone through in this video. You can say thank you for the opportunity, I'm excited to be here, and you can say one of my great strength is, and you can say I believe my skills align with this role and I'm eager to be here, eager to learn, and thank you for your time. So all these phrases could be utilized in the sentences that you are planning to speak. And remember that interviews aren't about using difficult English at all. They are about communicating with clarity and confidence. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone preparing for an interview. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.